Hi guys, I wanted to go over a few kind of tips and show you the possibilities when you're editing comments in Home Inspector Pro. Heavy comment editing should be done, through the desktop software. It's much faster than doing it on mobile. Mobile's great for selecting and using those comments when you're on site. So I'm right now looking at a bedroom section on a template, and first thing you'll notice is there's notes that are used throughout this template. So notes are text in brackets that do not appear in the report. Those are just a quick shorthand so you know exactly what the comment is. And those are extremely useful on mobile to find the narrative you're looking for quickly. And those are searchable as well. So you can search those when you're using the searches you type feature on the desktop here in the bottom right. Or on the desktop as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click this comment. So to edit a comment, you just double click on it. You'll see the note in the beginning. And you can click on the add note button, which will just give you those double brackets, or you can manually type it in. Some of the other things I wanted to show off here. So starting in HIP 6, you can highlight text. And when you go into the text, you can click on bold if you want to bold that text. I can make something italics. I can make something underlined. Oops. Click on U for underlined. And then I can also click on the color right here, and I can change something to a specific color. So I have, or I can even do, there it's bold and a different color. So you can do all these stylizing directly with on text. I can also make something a clickable link. So if I come in here and I highlight text and I click on link, it says right here, the text interior doors will direct somebody to our website. Obviously, you would have it linked to, you have a text about asbestos and it links to an article, preferably on your website about asbestos. Oops, I need to add the HTTP on there. Don't forget that. Okay, and now it automatically changes it to blue because it's a link, underlines it. You could even override that color there as well. That will be a clickable link within the PDF version or within the web-based version of the report. And looking at other things on here, you can insert recall check fields. Most people are using the photo recheck feature now, so that's not as important. The other thing is this add caption. So if I come in here and I click on add caption and I type in some text on here, door doesn't latch. So whatever text I show on here will automatically show up as after the word caption. Whatever I add here will automatically show up as a possible caption for any comment that is attached to this section of the report. So this text will not show as the narrative if I select this narrative, but it will show up as a possible caption. Another thing you can do on here is I can link a photo. So if I click link photo, it'll bring up your photos gallery, and there's a installer on the HIP website which has over 1,000 photos, different diagrams that you can install, and you can also load your own. You can also link a PDF. So if you have a comment about asbestos or Chinese drywall, and you want to include a PDF. So the link PDF means link it to this comment, but it will actually insert that PDF directly into the report. So if you have a 2-page write-up on asbestos and you click link PDF, whenever this comment is used in the report, it will insert that document, that PDF about asbestos at the end of the section. There will also automatically be a click here to view link added with this narrative that will jump the person directly to that section within the PDF or the web-based version of the report. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at help@homeinspectorpro.com, ask on live chat or on the Facebook group, or give us a call at 888-750-4777. Thank you.